Hi everyone. Today I'll be covering a quick and easy tip to help optimize broad match keywords. So a common problem I come across with broad match keyword targeting is that most of the time there is no front end work to block irrelevant search terms using negative keywords, which can lead to a lot of wasted ad spend. Here's a quick tip to help with that. So first thing you want to do is go to your keyword planner, which is under tools and settings, and then under planning, keyword planner. Click on discover new keywords and type in the keyword that you're thinking of converting to a broad match or you're using as a broad match. So example I had with a client recently was for dog collars. And what you'll want to do is under the filter, you'll want to exclude keywords that contain the phrase you have. So in this case, I'm going to add a filter for collar and then say does not contain collar. And then also does not contain the plural version of that. Does not contain collars. So now what's going to be left over are all the keywords that Google's recommending for dog collars, but does not contain the word collar. And so all of these keywords are actually going to be pretty fair game for a broad match keyword target. So if I'm reviewing this, I can see that it'll include likely searches for dog cone, wireless dog fence. And these are not products that are actually a dog collar if I was going to sell that. And so when thinking of using a broad match term, I might add a negative keyword for dog fence, dog cone, and a lot of these other terms. And so the good thing about this keyword planner is that all of this can be saved and then exported, and then you can use in your negative keyword list for your broad match keywords. The other thing you can look at for consideration is up here where it says broaden your search. Dog collars will probably also include searches for dog accessories, pet products. And so when you add these other terms in, it will also give you additional keyword ideas that can possibly appear for searches related to dog collars. So now I see here dog bandanas, dog seatbelt. And so these are all things that you can proactively add to help with the performance of your broad match keyword before you spend money on the ad click for that search term. Hope this helps. If you have any questions, please leave it in the comments section below. And don't forget to subscribe to the Next Level PPC YouTube channel.